So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today the topic of our video is a free alternative of Adobe Photoshop and it is online editor. So as you know, in many laptops people do not have Adobe Photoshop, and if you work on them you don't have some powerful video photo editing software. Here is a website that can help you. So the website is photop.com. So here is the website. So as you can see, it is an online free editing software. So as you can see, it can open extension like psd, .x, .sketch, .pdf, .xcf, raw, and any like jpg, gif, png, svg, etc. So as you can see here, the tools that are provided, and it is much like a Photoshop. You can also some of the files, editing image, layer, and these are options that can help you, but it is not complete like Photoshop, but it can provide feature like it. So if you don't have Photoshop, you can definitely use this online photo editor, and it has very good features like Photoshop, and it is online, so you don't have to download it, and it uses some of your space, as Photoshop is around 1 GB, so it is very convenient to use on an editor. So that's the end for this video. If you want more alternatives of Adobe's and other softwares, let me know in the comments below, and thank you.